DC to DC buck converters are suitable for circuits that step down the input DC voltage. The circuit includes a transistor, a diode, an inductor, and a capacitor. At the initial moment when switch S1 is closed, current begins to flow in the load. Due to the presence of inductance, electrical energy is stored in the form of magnetic energy in a magnetic field. However, according to the Lenz's law, as the magnetic flux in the coil increases, a reverse voltage is produced in the coil. The change in resistance produces a voltage that is opposite to the applied voltage. In this way, the supply voltage is equal to the inductance, the sum of the voltage at both ends and the voltage across the load. The load voltage is less than the supply voltage. If we control the switching time of the transistor, we can get different output voltages. Our purpose is achieved. The duty cycle is equal to the ratio of the output voltage to the input voltage. Once the transistor is turned off, the inductor coil discharges outward like a power source and converts the previously stored magnetic energy into electrical energy. According to the Lenz's law, the inductor coil resists changes in the magnetic field and produces the same voltage as the applied voltage. In this way, the diode is forward biased and begins to conduct until the energy in the inductor coil is fully released. The current stops flowing when the energy in the inductor is completely released. The diode is reverse biased and is in the cutoff state. At this time, the transistor S1 is immediately closed and the cycle begins again. Using this method, the target voltage can be used to obtain a continuous output. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.